Hello, recorded No More Tire Changers. Today I'll be showing you how to do a tire change on our newest model, the CH200. Break the bead, take the wheel, sit on the blocks, like so. Set your bead breaker T so it's essentially upright. And from here, grab your center post and insert that into the breaker assembly. Push down and break the bead. Lots of leverage. Flip the wheel over and do the other side. Turn your center post. From here, pull your wheel up. What you do is you want to hook it into the posi clamps. The lip of the wheel actually goes in the center of the spools. Push it down, catch the back posi clamp first. Catch your left side. And then your right side. And we use a small ratchet, 9/16 inch socket. Short length because you don't need a lot of leverage to tighten down. Just want to get snug. You don't have to crank on it. It's in solid. You get plenty of clearance for rotors and pulleys, so you do not need to remove those. We use our spray, which is our lube, with 2 tablespoons of lube with water diluted. It creates your spray. Once you get the wheel secured, put a light spray around the wheel. That helps the bar not stick to the tire. Take our mount and demount bar, non-marring tip. I stand on this side of the bar, hold the bar at a 45-degree angle, work the tire tool between the tire and the wheel. Once I get it in, give it a quarter turn, that locks it in. Now if I was to bring this bar over right now, this tip will bend and break. You want to make sure you push the tire down in the drop center as I bring the bar up and over. Bring my center post over. Place it in the bearing and just snug it up. A lot of people want to over tighten this, it just needs to be snug. From here I lift up on the tire a little bit, give the bar a spin. Lots of leverage. Easy job. Pull my center post out of the way. Lift up with the tire, pull the tire with the tool, and repeat with the other side. Give it a quarter turn to lock it. Bring my center post over. And again, lift up on the tire. Give it a spin. Very easy. Right tool for the job. So now that I got the tire off, what do I do? We use our lube the drop center of the wheel lightly, all the way around, just a light coating. You lube the top edge of the rim right here, between 10 o'clock and 2 o'clock as you're facing it. You work your tire up, and you lube the back side of the tire, right here, between 2 o'clock and 6 o'clock as you're facing the tire. These are all the high friction areas. Okay, from here, to install the tire, I want to catch the front side first. So I push it down, catch the back side. That lube that I put on the top edge of the wheel helps the tire slide on as I'm pushing it down. Okay, now to install the tire, take our mount demount bar, the double ends, take the tire, push it down, hook it on the wheel like so. Bring your center post over. I push the tire down a little bit more. Get it started. From here, I'll step around to this side of the bar. The bar gets my hip, my hand on the handle to keep it steady. I'm essentially going to drive with my right leg. So walk around, take my free hand, push the tire into the drop center. tire change on our new CH200.